Yes people, what is happening? I'm back with another little video, and today I'm going to be taking out this Mark III Cupra R that I've just bought. Front wheel drive, 500 brake, over 500 brake horsepower, meth injection, huge front brakes. Listen, the spec on this car is insane. So stay tuned, I'm going to be jumping in this car and doing a little review.
What's the
But of course, before we get into that, make sure you head over to my website, www.vagrecycle.co.uk. I'm giving away BC coilovers, I'm giving away big brake kits, I'm giving away seats, cash, you name it, I'm giving it away. So make sure you check it out, the best odds possible, better odds than anywhere. 165 winners so far, 22nd time winners, and 3 third time winners. There's no other competition site out there with those figures. So make sure you go and check it out, www.vagrecycle.co.uk. Now let's get into the video. Right, we're in the Cupra, and first thing first, I'm going to apologise about the way I sound. My hay fever is killing me. So if I sound like I'm holding my nose, I do apologise. I'm going to try and talk as little as possible. Second thing is, I'm not even going to beat around the bush. I love this car. Yeah, this is my real first experience in a car like this, with the newer well, I say new to me, VW engine, the 2 litre, and yeah, it's blown me away. The DSG is something else. Now I've got a Mark 7 GTD with DSG, which I thought was really good, but the way this thing changes, it has really got me considering selling one of my cars and purchasing something like this, because that's how much I like this car. Now, at first glance, I'm not going to do too much talking, but the interior, yeah, you know what? There isn't anything I don't like about this car, to be completely honest. I mean, if I'm comparing it to the Mark 7 that I've got, yeah, the interior is not as good. I don't really like the head unit. It's a bit on the cheap side, but it's nice. It's, you know, you pay a little bit less for these over the R, don't you? So yeah, I can see. I like the wing mirrors, the mirrors with the pointy bits. I just like the whole car. I could sit here all day talking about how much I like. The previous owner has fitted this one with a virtual dash, which I absolutely love. You can switch between menus and stuff, and it shows you different things. I love the steering wheel, Alcantara with the race line in the middle, gloss back around it. I like the seats. Now, a lot of these newer cars, they're not coming with bucket seats like the old cars did. Like the Mark 5 came with some nice bucket seats. The Mark 4 Golf came with some bucket seats. Even some of the Cupras, like the is it the K1? I'm not really familiar with that platform, if I completely. In fact, I keep calling this a Cupra R. It's a Cupra 280. Some of the Cupra boys have got onto me about that. So yeah, the Cupra 280. Yeah, so the older ones, they had nicer seats and stuff, but you know what, these they do the job. They're not heated. I don't know if that's an option in these, but yeah, it's nice Alcantara with the leather. Yeah, man, I'm liking this car a lot. Yeah, another thing I'd say, I don't know if the automatic handbrake is an option in these, but I don't like the manual handbrake. But I'm just nitpicking. Like, I can't find fault with this car. I can't find fault with the car. The way it looks, especially this one with the, like, it's got a splitter on it. It's got a little spoiler extension on it. Obviously it's lowered and stuff. In fact, let me quickly go through the description of this car. Now, the description is huge, so I'm gonna have to pull out my phone on this. Obviously, I've bought the car already built, so I'm not taking any credit for the car. I've bought the car already built, ready to go. So let me pull up the description for this car. So I'm just gonna read out a few because the description is long. Obviously, if you want the full description, I'll tell you at the end how you can find that. But it's got a Littco L560 turbo. Hopefully, I'm reading that right. It's got a Wagner cooler. It's got a 4-bar map sensor, a Trackslag 4-inch downpipe. It's got a Dutchtec custom 3-inch back with twin resonator. Sounds nice. It does really sound nice. Now, I'm not really a fan of the DSG noise, you know, that fighting sound. But having lived with this car for about a week now, yeah, I've kind of got used to it, and it's so quick anyway. It's just like a moment thing, so you know, it's minor really. What else? It's got an R600 intake AEM. The AEM's actually not used. Actually, it's not mapped in. It's not even got anything in at the minute. So I think you can get a little bit more horsepower if you sort that out, or if you want to use that. It's got KW V3s, which are three-way adjustable. It's got a quaife diff in it. Still got the eDiff in it as well. It's got racing line 6-pot brakes, which are 372mm discs. Yeah, just loads. It's fully I can't even talk today. It's fully polybushed. Team dynamic wheels. Just loads. Listen, loads anyway. Like I say, I will tell you at the end how you can find out where the full description is. But yeah, so let's do a little sound check. Actually. Now, to get this car to its like full potential, there's loads you have to do. So right about now, I'm just in standard. Another thing that I like actually, on the dash you've got where you can select like your comfort modes and stuff. So you've got comfort, sport, Cupra, individual. Now when you change from comfort, these side lights will light up white, nice LED. Then when you go into sport, it turns red. And something on the dash changes as well actually. I think it's your geometry. I think it is. I might be wrong. I don't know. But yeah, that's a nice little touch. And when you go down into, so you go from drive into sport, the revs go higher. I don't know if you can hear it. You switch over to manual, and you've got to turn off the traction to be able to rev it, which is a bit annoying, but we're going to have that off anyway. So little beep telling me that it's off. So let's do a little sound check. Now obviously, yeah, it's no R32, it's no V6, it's no V8, it's no V10, so I'm not going to act like it sounds amazing, but it sounds nice. It sounds a lot better than I thought it would anyway. And obviously I'm hoping you'll be able to pick up the note of the exhaust while we're out driving. I will try and chuck a GoPro on there, but it has just started raining, so I'm not too sure I'm going to be able to do that. But like I said, I'm not going to be trying to talk too much today because I sound like a idiot, and yeah, it's getting dark, it's been raining, so let's just go out for a little drive, yeah? So we're just cruising along in drive. I've put it in comfort mode. Now obviously the gear changes are not as aggressive or quick in drive mode. There's no real response when you put your foot down compared to sport. The exhaust sounds a little bit quieter as well, which is all good things because it's in drive mode, so that's how you want it, isn't it? So it is a nice drive, it's comfortable. Like I said, it's on KW V3s. It's a really nice drive. Now it has been set up for a track. The previous owners took it on track, and then only before him, I think he purposely built it for the track. So the KWs are cambered in and stuff like that. But yeah, it's a nice drive. It's a really nice drive. Right, let me show you why I love this car, yeah? You ready? The car's got me coughing, took my breath away. Listen, this car, yeah, is something else. Something else. Something else. Listen, 1 second you're there, the next second you're over there. Literally, that's, you put your foot down and you're just where you want to be. Like, I can't even explain it. I cannot explain it. I hope it's coming across in this video because this car is crazy. Absolutely. And you know what, yeah? No raw spin, nothing. Obviously, third second if you're trying to launch it, kind of pointless, but look. Gone. Keep saying it, yeah, but this car is something else. Something else. Turbo's whistling away. You can hear the turbo through the intake. Really, really nice. It's not OTT. Just a nice little. Really, really nice. Exhaust is not too loud. It's not drony, it's not annoying. I absolutely love it. I love this car. Now there's a lot of talk about front wheel drive cars with a lot of power and how they don't put it down. This car's putting it down. This car's putting everything down. It's running, I should know because I just changed them. PS4s, it's on PS4 tyres. The grip's insane. Grip. What wheel? Did you hear any wheel spin? No. I love this car. I love this car. Honestly. The car's so aggressive it started to unblock my nose. took this car down to London Ways the other day to do the handover for the winner of the RS5, and I didn't want to stop driving this car. Like, it was just comfortable, quick, everything. Like, it's pretty much, very much, nearly everything you need in a car. And I love the amount of people that are surprised with this car, because it looks so deceiving. It just looks like a cute little Cupra, and people, oh, it's a cute little Cupra, and then boom, missing. There's no cuteness about it. It's an absolute animal. The car is an animal. Like, I'm just plodding along in drive now. Drop it into sport, foot down. So just in case you didn't gather, yeah, I love this car. This car is, it's insane, and it's so deceiving. I think that's what I like about it as well. Like, if you see a Golf R out there, you expect them to be quick now, because, you know, a little remap and that, a little tweak, and they're doing bits, to be honest. But this, you don't really expect it, and this is a supercar killer, honestly. Like, I'll put the draggy figures in the comments from the previous owner. But this car is doing numbers, and to look at it, you wouldn't even think. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be picking up something like this for myself. Something that I can just jump in, drive, enjoy, and yeah, just a really good all-round car. Now, you probably already know because it's been up for a while, but this car is being given away. That's what I do. VAG recycle competitions. I give away amazing prizes, and someone's going to be winning this car for £6.99. Now, it's actually Thursday, I can't remember, 24th, and the car goes on Sunday. I don't know, but it's going this Sunday. So you're probably watching this and the car's already gone. I have done the video a little bit late. I'm not going to get into it, but yeah, I just had to do a video on the car before it went, because it's something else. And I wanted to give, if you're like me and you're coming from like Mark 4s or even Mark 5, 6, 7s with diesel engines and stuff like that, nothing like this. This is genuinely my first experience with a car like this, and I'm telling you, it is worth it. I can see what the hype's about. Like, don't get me wrong, I still love my Mark 4 R32, but that's gonna get retired to like a weekend car, and I'm getting something like this for every day, because yeah, it's just amazing. So if you want the details on this car, the full description is going to be on the website, of course, because I'm giving it away, which is www.vagrecycle.co.uk. Obviously, the links are going to be in the description and all of that. But yeah, what a car, man. What a car. I'm going to end it there because I think I've been talking too much, even though I said I wasn't going to. So until next time, until the next video, I'll catch you later.